Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Fewani, and right now I'm standing outside on my balcony and it's snowing so hard. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what it looks like when it's snowing, and it's snowing so hard. So I'm going to turn around my camera so you guys can check it out. Look who's in the back. Yes, look at that. All the cars, well, I guess most of the people in my building took their car to the indoor parking because, yes, I'm a little bit cold, but it's okay. So a lot of them took their cars to the indoor parking, including me. So it's a little bit windy also. And I just want you guys to have a look and see how it looks outside. This is Canada, guys. It's so beautiful. It makes you feel, it's so beautiful, guys. It makes you feel really, really good. I like the snow. I can't complain. Oh, there's hardly any cars on the road because everybody want to keep away from the snow. I went outside this morning, but I made sure I hustled back to come home before all this snow gets to me. And it's supposed to be like this even until tomorrow. It's going to be snowing. So this is what we have to deal with. And for those of you who are living in Canada, you can go out and play in the snow, but make sure if you don't have anything to do, stay off the road because it's really, really, really messy out there. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video.